In this lecture, I'm going to talk about count function in your Excel program. So I'm going to open my Excel program, this one. And if you want to count this Excel, this is a row, how many cell address are available there in this row. Then if you want to count, then go to formula and insert option, write count. Then you will see the count option here. Now if you want to count from this cell address here, 44 and 132, then you can select. Automatically it will detect the cell address D3 and D6. D3 is a beginning cell address and D6 is a ending cell address. So and click on the OK button. Then we have got a 4 numbers, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is the counting method, how you can count your numbers in room or in a workbook. So see you on my next tutorial, and I will talk about how to sum. Thanks.